Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your username on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap on settings. After that, tap on the pencil icon. Then tap on the reversed username option. After that, tap on the edit icon in the top right corner. Then tap on change username option. Now enter your new username. If it's available, you will see a green check mark right side of your username. Once you are happy with it, tap on save. Then tap on OK. And that's it. Now your WhatsApp username has been changed successfully. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.